Why do farmers level the soil?
Wow, the plowing looks fantastic.
I totally agree.
But we can't plant yet. The field is too bumpy. We need to smooth the soil with a big harrow.
Big Red.
Sorry. Now let's find the harrow and get started. The harrow makes the soil soft and smooth, so the seeds can grow strong roots.
In other words, from this to this.
Enough talking. Let's put the harrow down and get to work.
Wow, look at that. The soil is soft and smooth now. I just have to say, I love driving the tractor.
Me too. Jay.
Looks like we've got a long evening ahead of us, Big Red. We're all finished. Tomorrow it's time to plant the seeds. See you in the next episode.